Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you and also welcome to my presentation. Today it's me Surya from class 7 of Sharda Vidya Mandir High School. So today my topic is about Vedic maths, uses of Vedic methods in mathematical syllabus. Moving to the next slide. Om yatha sikha mayuranam naganam manayo yatha tat ved vedanga shastranam Ganitam urdhanisthitam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Next, what is Vedic maths? So, basically Vedic maths is a collection of sutras or formulas for us to calculate any numerical computations easily, quickly and faster. Next, how old is Vedic maths really? So, Vedic maths is originated from the ancient India during Vedic ages or Vedic period, which is date back to about 1500 to 500 BCE. Moving to the next slide, we may have a question that who is the father of Vedic maths? Means who is known as the father of Vedic maths? So, Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji is known as the father of Vedic maths, who finds all the sutras of Vedic maths during the AD 1911 to 1918, and he wrote a book named Vedic maths in 1957, wherein he wrote about the 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras of Vedic maths. Next, what are the 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras of Vedic maths? So, in the next slide, here is a short chart of it that there shows 16 sutras, and here is some 30 sutras. Moving to the next slide, Ekadikena Purvena and Paramantra. We can apply this formula in any subtraction, like I have shown you some examples, and here is also a short comparison between Vedic and modern method. Moving to the next slide, Urthatijatya or Urthatrivadya. We can use this method in any multiplication if the both sides of multipliers are same. So some examples are shown here, and we can easily calculate these types of short tricks by these types of short process. In the next slide, here is a short comparison between modern method and Vedic method. Moving to the next slide, table of 9 by using our fingertips. We can easily calculate the table of 9 by using our fingertips as I have shown you here. Moving to the next slide, squares using Ekanunena Purvena and Nikhila. We can find out the squares of the numbers whose have 9 and with a shortest trig I have shown you here. Next, squares which are ending at 5. So basically we can easily find out the squares of those types of number by the process given below, and I have shown you some examples here. Next, Dvanda Yoga or duplex method. We can find out the Dvanda Yoga means the duplex or the square of any number or any 2-digit or 3-digit number by the process given below. Next, square root. We can easily find out the square root of any 4-digit square number by the process given below, as I have shown you some examples here. Moving to the next slide, cube. We can find out the cube of any 2-digit number by the process given below, and here is also a video.
Suppose we want to find the cube of 23 first of all. We will write the cube of 2 and 3 here. Now the cube of 2 is 8, but we cannot write 8 here because the number that will come here should be a 3-digit number, so it is very easy. We will write 2 zeros in front of 8 and it will become a 3-digit number similarly. The cube of 3 is 27. Now 27 is also not a 3-digit number, so we will write a 0 in front of it. Now after that, we have to multiply 2, 3 and this number 3 together, so 2x 3 will come 18. We have to multiply this 18 with this number, 23. So we get 414. We have to write this 414 without a single digit of this number. And after this, we have to add them. So we get 12,167. And this is the cube of 23.
Aryabhat wrote, translated to English.
In the next slide, there is cube roots. So we can easily find out the cube roots of any cube number by the process given below, as I have shown you a video here.
Suppose you want to find the cube root of 9, 1, 1, 2, 5. As you can see, our number's unit digit is 5. So we have to check which number's unit digit is 5. So we found that 125 has a unit digit of 5. And 125 is a cube. So our answer will be the unit digit here, now we will cut the last 3 digits and focus on 91. Now we have to see which numbers cube 91 comes here. For example, 4's cube is 64 and 5's cube is 125. Because 125 is more than 91, we will consider 4. So, our first digit will be 4. So, our final answer will be 45. So, the cube root of 9, 1, 1, 2, 5 is 45.
Aryabhat wrote, translate.
Moving to the next slide, there are some sutras or sub-sutras of Vedic maths which are used in geometry. So basically we can easily apply many sutras or sub-sutras in geometry, like in bisecting an angle or intersecting chord theorem or the drawing square roots, means the spiral of Theodorus. Also we can use many sub-sutras or sutras of Vedic maths. So here is a short type of thing that the Pythagoras theorem is also mentioned in Ayurveda. Next, tricks of fractions. So basically we can find out the answers of the fractions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by butterfly method of Vedic maths easily. And in the next slide, here is a short tricks of comparing two fractions. So we can easily find out the answers by these types of short tricks. Moving to the next slide, here is a short comparison between Vedic and modern maths. So here the yellow line shows modern math and the Vedic maths is shown by the purple line. Moving to the next slide, what's the necessity of Vedic maths in a student life? So there are lots of advantages of Vedic maths, like it is easy to learn, helps us for better understanding, it is easy to calculate, time saves more, and also it develops our self-confidence, mental math abilities, and etc. And also it develops both sides of our brain. In the left side, it develops our facts, analysis, logic, and in the right side of our brain, it helps us to develop visualization, imagination, intuitions, and etc. In the conclusion, Vedic maths or Vedic mathematics is a collection of sutras or sub-sutras for us to improve our mental math abilities, and also it offers us various types of techniques to calculate any numerical computations easily, quickly and faster. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.